guys, it's me, King. So today I'm going to read a Piggie and Gerald book. So it's Happy Pig Day by Mo Williams. See, this is from Dawson. Gerald! I am so happy. Today is the big day. Today is free ice cream day? No, today is Happy Pig Day. Happy Pig Day. Yes, Happy Pig Day with all the pigs. And they're so happy with presents. We can sing songs with pigs. We can dance. We can eat cookies. We can play games. And I will say, oinkity oink oink. I did that with pigs. Ooh, Happy Pig Day sounds fun. Look! Oinkity oink oink. My friends are here. Oinkity oink oink. Oinkity oink oink. That is a lot of pigs. Oinkity oink oink. Oinkity oink oink. That was a lot of pigs. Oinkity oink oink. Oinkity oink oink. Is this fun, Gerald? Wow. Wow. Whoa. Gerald? Are you okay? I am sorry, Piggy. I have a trunk. I have big ears. I am gray. I don't have a beak. Why is everybody? And I'm not pink. I want to be a pig. But I am not a pig. I am an elephant. And I am so sad. Oh, June. Happy Pig Day is not just about pigs. Happy Pig Day is for awesome. We love pigs. So what do you think about that? I say, oinkity oink The end. Have a good day, everyone. And take your subscribe like I'm almost in 1 million. So take this book down, or else you're gonna die at the school at Dawson Elementary. Yeah, bye guys.